liftoff of Space Shuttle Discovery, taking the space station to full power for full science.
Boys and girls, it's your friendly scientist, Dynamo. So today we are going to talk about our solar system. In our solar system, we have 8 planets, as you can see, that revolve around Mr. Sun. Now we're going to name our planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, where you and I live, Mars, Jupiter. Check out Saturn with all the beautiful rings around it. Then we have Uranus, which is blue. And then our last planet is Neptune. You know that Earth, again where you and I live, and Mars, they have something in common, and it is volcanoes. A volcano is a hill or a mountain that has an eruption. So when the lava, which is the stuff that comes out of the volcano, when it's in liquid form, it's called molten on the inside. Here we have the magma chamber, then we have the Earth's crust out here, and then we have the conduit. This is where the magma pushes out, and it's all red and it's yellow, and it comes out the lava is so hot, and there it rushes out and erupts. So we're going to do an experiment today. First, we will add our baking soda. Then we will add our 8 drops of red food coloring. Are you ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our last item to add is vinegar. Now remember, we're trying to see if we're going to have an eruption. Well, let's see. That's our lesson for today. And remember, when you go outside at night, to look up at your solar system and think about all the planets that we talked about today, and also think about volcanoes and their eruption. Thank you. We'll see you next time.
Hi friends. Guess what we're going to talk about today? We're going to talk about the solar system. And we're going to talk about a very special part of the solar system, and that's the sun. Do we know what the sun is? Do we know what is inside the sun? Well, I'm going to tell you. It's plasma. Did you know that the sun is composed of plasma? Fire is plasma. I have a plasma ball that contains all the electricity and all the neon and fluorescent lights that are composed with plasma. Know that neon signs and lightning are all examples of plasmas from our solar system. So next time you look in the sky and you see lightning or you see a neon sign, remember that is from plasmas from our solar system that helped create that. Well, now you're going to get to have some fun with Miss Maddie Math. Take it away, Maddie Math.
Well, hello, boys and girls. It's your fave here, Maddie Math. And you know what time it is. It's time to go over some numbers. But today, first, we're going to talk about the sun. Did you know, boys and girls, that the sun rises in the east and it sets in the west? Also, the sun is the star at the center of our solar system. The sun is 4.6 billion years old. Now, boys and girls, it's time to count the planets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you learned something new. Until next time, Maddie Mac is out of here. See you then.
Hola amigos, today Riri will be reading a story about the solar system. And this is the book that we're going to be reading, Solar System by Jean McDonald's. Look up on the sky. What do you see? Can you see the moon? Astronauts have left their footprints in the moon. At daytime, we see the sun. It is the center of the solar system. Let's learn about the planets that travel around it. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. The asteroids and comets hit often this planet. Venus is the brightest planet and also is the hottest planet. We live in a planet called Earth. From space, it looks like a swirl blue marble. This is the third planet from the solar system. Can you point to the red planet? That's Mars. Mars has giant volcanoes. Jupiter is the largest planet and also is the stormiest planet. Saturn has rings that goes around and around. And these rings are made of ice, rock, and dust. Uranus and Neptune are dark and cold. Ice crystals give Uranus their blue color. And also, Uranus rotates on its side. It's very windy in Neptune. Pluto is the tiniest rough planet, very far, far from the sun. Pluto is smaller than the Earth's moon. Okay, now let's do it in Spanish. El sistema solar. Jim McDonald's. Mira al cielo. ¿Qué ves tú? ¿Puedes ver la luna? Los astronautas han dejado sus huellas en la luna. En el día puedes ver el sol. El sol es el centro del sistema solar. Y ahora vamos a aprender los planetas que viajan alrededor del sol. Mercurio es el planeta más cerca al sol. Venus es el planeta más brillante y es también el planeta más caliente. Nosotros vivimos en un planeta que se llama Tierra y así se ve desde el espacio como una canica de colores. ¿Puedes apuntar al planeta rojo? Este es Marte. Marte tiene muchos volcanes gigantes. Júpiter es el planeta más largo y también el que tiene más tormentas. Saturno tiene 3 anillos que lo rodean y estos 3 anillos están hechos de hielo, de polvo y de roca. Uranio y Neptuno son los más oscuros y fríos. Los cristales hacen que Uranio tenga un color azul y Uranio también se mueve en su eje por un lado. Hey friends, I hope you enjoy the story about the solar system. Espero hayan disfrutado la historia del sistema solar. We'll see you soon. Los veo después. Besitos. It's Bugsby again. How are you today? Today I'm going to show you a demonstration about the solar system. You see the solar system? Today we're going to make planet Earth. I'm going to use these materials: spray bottle, scissors, paper plates, coffee filters, and markers. The first thing I want to do is get a paper plate, and I am going to cut a circle representing planet Earth. And I'm going to place it in the middle of the paper, and I'm going to use blue and green colors for planet Earth. And I am going to color planet Earth. Let me use some green. I like to do it this way so we can get some more colors. All right. Then I'm going to spray the planet so it can smear. Watch the smear. Wow. It's turning into a beautiful Earth. We let it dry a little bit, and then I'm going to pick it up, slowly look at my planet Earth. Then I can hang it somewhere around my house to let it dry. This is the end of our activity. See you next time.
Hi there, boys and girls. This is Engine E. We have a special friend in our engineering lab today. His name is Bobo. Bobo is a robot. Did you know that we have robots on the planet Mars? Percy's doing on planet Mars. He's collecting samples. Another thing Percy's trying to find out, if there's sound on Mars. I wonder if he'll hear anything. That's our lesson for today, boys and girls. See you next time.